प्लान था चीप शॉपिंग का और हो गई दो बड़ी गलतियां कोरिया के सबसे सस्ते मार्केट में। फॉर एनीवन वाचिंग अस फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, हाय, we are Ritu and Anisha, best friends, creators, and entrepreneurs, half the time living in Korea and half the time talking about it. Welcome to our little corner of the internet where you'll mostly see us traveling, building our brands, laughing, fighting over food, and making expensive mistakes like this one.
तो हुआ कुछ ऐसा, हम दोनों को लगा we literally have nothing left to wear. So we set a smart budget, 10K per person.
प्लान था गो टू मॉल का, which is Seoul's biggest underground shopping mall. 600 plus shops stretching over almost a kilometer, and you can find everything here, from home stuff to clothing to flowers. But before go to mall, there's Enter 6 Fashion Mall. इतना tempting था, हम skip नहीं कर पाए.
Mistake number 1. We walked in and in just 30 minutes, swiped away 20K. The first thing we bought was 10,000 ka blazer. But I always wanted a blazer which looks exactly like this.
The lady convinced Anisha to get this blazer. She in turn convinced me to buy a jacket for 8K. Why so pricey? Because these are all independent designer stores.
इतना शॉपिंग करने के बाद लिटरली चक्कर आने लगे।
बहुत ढेर सारी शॉपिंग कर ली है।
So we took a break at this cozy place. And while having lunch, we decided maybe let's skip go to mall for now. But खाना finish होते ही we thought अब यहाँ तक आए हैं तो देख ही लेते हैं।
Mistake number 2. We walked into go to mall and then we walked more, shop more. It just doesn't end. यहाँ you get everything from 10,000 to 20,000 won, which is around 600 to 1200 INR. And finally, this is everything we bought. Our total expense was around 30K for the two of us. Absolutely no regrets. Totally worth it. Let us know in the comments who do you think bought more. Bye.